In today's video, I'll show you on how you can factory reset Dahua DVR. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to the main menu of Dahua DVR, and basically it will look something like this. You want to right click on the main screen and then navigate through the main menu. Now you can see the main menu with the house icon, and it's going to be the first option right after right clicking the main screen. From there, simply enter your admin password or your admin PIN, and then you want to access the maintain option. Now inside the maintain option, there's going to be the manager category. So once again, click on it. And the last thing that you want to do is to click factory default. Basically, it completely recovers device parameter to factory defaults, which will factory reset your Dahua DVR. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guides or everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.